Okay, let's have a rockin' good time. Hey, it's Barbie Rocks. Hope you guys are all having a rockin' great summer. So this rescue, I rescued 2 items. I mean, a fabulous item. So the first one is this 2-in-1 jet yacht cruise ship. And let's take a closer look at this fabulous rescue. Join me on my YouTube channel and check out that thrift, which included these 2 fabulous finds, one of my most top exciting rescues. On top of that, rescued some dolls and rescued that pink camper there. So let's take a look at this. It's the 2000 jet yacht cruise ship, and it's got the logo Barbie here. Color scheme in this camper cruise ship, jet yacht cruise ship, is baby blue and pinks and dark purple stripes. This is the side panel, and this is the yacht side of the 2-in-1 playset. It's got the windows there and the Barbie girl there. Thrifted it for $9.99. If you went on a Tuesday, you got even a further discount if you're a senior. Like, how awesome is that? And it's got the railing, brown railing at the top. And then let me take it down. It opens up into 1, 2, and let's put this down and let me open them up to take a closer look. So color scheme in this play set is soft pink, dark pink, baby blue. I can see the gray that they've used, purple, fabulous disco ball that remained intact. Okay, so let's open this beautiful cruise ship. On this side is the yacht boat set, and of course this is how it opens up. So there we go, one panel opens up, and so fun. It came with a lot of accessories. I didn't find the accessories in the set, but it also had like stools, and here was the where the seats went, but they're missing. So you can peer out the window, and these are the fabulous stickers. So it says awesome, fantastic. I don't know if these are the original to the cruise ship, but this is what I found it. I don't know. It says wonderful, yippee. Maybe these aren't the original stickers. I think these are just fun stickers somebody placed in. And then it's got the disco ball. How cool is that? And if I push this button here, how fabulous. Isn't that fabulous? I love it, love it. And you can set up the barbs. They have a rockin' great time. So in this part, there came, they were blue seats. I don't have them, so I'm just going to mimic it. So I'm going to put a chair there. So the seats went in there. And then Barbie, and just a quick diorama, but I'm going to do a better diorama for all you rockers. So on this side, a button is pushed, and there we go. And Ken and Barbie can have a rockin' swinging time in the cruise ship. Fabulous. There's the boombox. It came with high stools, but I don't have that. So what's cool about this playset, it's got the boombox there, the pink there. It's got embossment of stars up above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up there and I'm going to highlight these stars. Can you see the star embellishment there? And it's got the original disco ball. I love it, love it, love it. So happy with this find. And they can have a rockin' good time. And on the right side, they are just taking a nice cruise and looking out at the beautiful view out the window. And there is Barbie in her looking fabulous in her cruising outfit. And there is fabulous Skipper looking stunning, and she's sporting her vacation hat. And along with her polka dot vacation hat, she is in her ensemble with polka dot matching stockings and great flat pair of shoes, and she's carrying her vintage purse. How fun! So what a great thrift. So that's the cruise ship. Let's flip over to the other side. Okay, so here is the airplane side, and again there's more windows to look out at the beautiful scenery as you are flying out. There were the blue seats here, but they're missing from this set, so I'm going to improvise. It would have looked something like that. A little shelf to put your food, Barbie's food or whatnot. And then upper compartment is so neat because it does actually open up. So 1, 2. So 2 compartments open up. Actually 3. Yeah, and these ones are sealed closed, but 3 compartments open up. Great view. And then let's have Barbie there. Okay, and then Barbie is there in her seat, and then to the right is the whole kitchen for the stewardess, and it's a working kitchen. The oven opens and closes. The bottom stove. This it's missing the panel here, and this is where the battery pack goes. And great compartment to get your tea, coffee, and little slots to have a lot of great adult diorama. So Barbie Rocks is an adult channel. So these are all working, opening and closing. And what's neat about this is, look at the sound effects. Here we go, let's start. So that's the intercom. That's the cruise size ship, like. And the disco. So the first 2 buttons are for the jet side, and the last 2 buttons are for the yacht cruise ship side. So let me show you. So it even shows you air, flying, disco music. Oh, this is for light. I'm not sure which light that is. And this is seatbelt buckle time for safety. Okay, and there we have it. Isn't that a fabulous find? Okay, let's move on over to the pink camper I found. So here we are. This is the vintage Barbie's playset, a must-have for all collectors and all Barbie enthusiasts. This is the Barbie's microbus Volkswagen, and it's got a working horn. And I'm going to go in and take a closer look at this. So Barbie Rocks has rescued this in a blue and this pink color. So let's take a look. So pretty much there's a it's a rescued item, so there's going to be some flaws. So it's got the Volkswagen logo. It's got the Barbie sticker trademark there. And let's take a look, and this is the side, and it's really great because it opens and closes quite easily. It's got a crack there because it is a rescue. And there are the seats. So when I look inside the seats, I gave it a wipe down. Look at that. There is a TV screen there. There is 2 cup holders there. Each one has a seat belt. It fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 passengers, but this one is missing the back seat. See how it just snaps in here? So this is how it was rescued, but it's missing this back seat. But look at the inside of the Volkswagen. So it's got like a shared gift there that actually is movable. So how fun is that? Barbie can have a rockin' great time. The steering wheel actually spins. So cool. There's the dashboard. And it's got if you push it, it actually has a working horn. So I can give it a push, but I don't have batteries in it. So that is what the inside looks like. And there are the open windows there. And the top part is open for a lot of rockin' great dioramas. Again, the sliding door. And the color scheme here is white, dark pink, soft pink. And there is a soft gray. And there are the wheels. It says VW for Volkswagen. What a cool vehicle. There's the back of the vehicle. And let's fit this one. The side mirrors are in a darker purple, and there's actually a plastic right on top. It's not glass, it's plastic. So it's durable and a lot of fun playtime. Okay, let's set Barbie up. So let me grab a Barbie and show you how Barbie can fit in there quite easily. So Barbie just slides in there, and there is a lot of room, and she can just fit right in there. Her hair can blow out the window, and see how she fits in there all snug? So there's Hans. And these straps are kind of cool because they strap over Barbie and they just clip in on the side. So let me show you. So they go across Barbie, and then there's a little clip on the side here, and it snaps right in. So as you have a lot of great adult diorama, Barbie can just go for a swing and move, and she will not fall out of the vehicle. So how cool is that?